been a long and exciting journey for the Blueshift team to go through and research all of the Cardano projects out there to find the best ones to have in our Cardano native token portfolio. We aim to find the best projects out there that would offer the best long-term value for our users and also for the decentralized exchange. And after months of research, we can confidently say that we have found the best ones out there and have shortlisted them for potentially being added into the Blueshift Cardano native token portfolio. We initially started with a really broad list of Cardano native tokens, everything that was circulating within the ecosystem at the moment. And from there, we started an engagement campaign to find out which ones had the best communities behind them. The engagement from each of those projects showed just how passionate the Cardano community is behind their projects. Overall, the campaign was highly successful with over 400,000 impressions overall on the campaign, 4,500 likes for each one of the comments that we put out there, 1,200 retweets across all the tweets that we put, 850 comments, and over 100,000 video impressions for the tokens that we put up. Highly successful, and we couldn't be happier with the stats that came through. Based on the level of engagement and statistics that we got from this campaign, it validated our idea to have this Cardano native token portfolio for the Cardano community. And where else better to have it than the Blueshift decentralized exchange, where we specialize in portfolios on DEXs. Now, this here highlights the projects that have been shortlisted and can be potentially added to the portfolio. Now, why would you want to get listed on the Blueshift decentralized exchange? Well, there are many benefits. Everything from increased trading volume and of course APR from trading fees to the low slippage rates that you get from a portfolio pool and the virtual pairs that come with it. And of course, the additional financial rewards that you get for providing liquidity and staking on the decentralized exchange. Now, as the Blueshift ecosystem continuously expands and grows to other chains, the Cardano native tokens will also get that benefit of exposure to those other blockchains and the liquidity that it brings. Now, depending on the level of interest in the portfolios, we may even split into other portfolios such as a meme coin portfolio or even a RealFi portfolio. Now, there is limited space in regards to getting tokens on here, and we also have a limited amount of time to get this all finalized. So if you haven't reached out to us yet, or if we haven't engaged with you, please contact me on my email there below, pete@blueshift.fi, and we'll start the process going. Now, where to from here? Now that we have the shortlisted tokens, we are going to continue with our due diligence process, ensuring that we engage with all the teams and make sure that we're putting and onboarding the correct projects for this portfolio. Now, thank you so much to everyone that has engaged with the community engagement phase of the campaign. It's really good to see all that engagement and so many people passionate about the projects that they're behind. And congratulations to all those projects that have made it to that shortlist. And we'd also like to thank our partners, Occam and Milcometer, who have supported us all along the way in this particular campaign. Now, if you haven't checked out the Blueshift DEX, I highly encourage you to check out some of the links below that we've provided. Everything around how our portfolio pools differ to other decentralized exchanges and how you can be rewarded for providing liquidity on the DEX, as well as the rewards that we are providing at the moment as well. You may be pleasantly surprised. So once again, thank you to everyone that has engaged with the campaign, and congratulations to those projects that have been shortlisted.